Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart where we are looking at an impulse towards the upside 5 waves in the white scenario, finishing a wave A probably or a wave 1. And after this, in both case scenario, you would like to see 3 corrective waves, A, B and a C. And these 3 corrective waves have finished potentially a wave 2 and a wave B. After this, you would like to see again 5 impulsive waves towards the upside and getting, of course, at the high and even higher. And this is exactly what happened. What we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, finishing potentially a wave a C here in the yellow scenario, or probably a wave 1, which is gonna unfold another bigger impulse towards the upside, where you are looking, of course, for your wave 3 in the yellow scenario, and that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So you might still see, of course, higher prices. Now, what is the probability? What is the highest probability between a wave C or a wave 1? I would go, of course, with a wave 1 with the orange scenario. It's not just because I like to see higher prices, but because of 2 main reasons. The first reason is that your wave here, your corrective wave, has went very, very deep, even before touching the 886, a little bit before, and of course taking the 0.786, which is a perfect target for a wave 2. Second thing, of course, is this is a very sharp wave 2 for a wave 2. Of course, it is very sharp wave, which is very characteristic of a wave 2. Normally, for a zigzag where you have an ABC, your wave B is even a little bit faster and to go, of course, towards the upside again, because in a zigzag, you would like to see your wave B reaching only the 0.5 fib level and then moving towards the upside. The third reason is the time. Also, the time for a wave B is shorter than a wave 2. So if you would like to see a wave B, you would like to see a move again from this part and moving, of course, forward for higher prices. While a wave 2, it might, of course, range for a longer time and, of course, for a deeper and sharp wave, as we can see here. The final reason for why I am with a wave 1, 2 in orange, because your wave C, in case it is a wave C, of course, it has overshooted the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the start to the bottom of your wave B, and of course giving us the fib level here as 1-to-1. We saw an overshooting with the price with the 1-to-1, which means, or not means, it gives much higher possibility that this is a wave 1 and not a wave C. Now, of course, that is a possibility where you get an extended wave C towards the upside, but however, the possibilities are much higher, of course, to the 1, 2, of course, in orange scenario, in case we overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level. Now, if we take a look even closer here at this wave might not be finished even yet, because if we take a look closer here, we see a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then correction for your wave 4, and then we are still looking for one more leg towards the upside to finish this wave 5, probably wave C, and much higher possibility for a wave 1. And by all means, you are still looking for higher prices in SUI, and that means, of course, you are even overshooting this wave, this fib level as 1-to-1, and you are getting closer to be a 1, 2, and wave 3 towards the upside here, and possibly even after finishing this leg here for your wave 5, possibly that you get a 3 waves down for your wave 2, and then continuation massively and impulsively towards the upside for even higher and higher prices. Now, if we take a look at the 1-hour chart just to check the healthiness of this wave 5, what you can see here exactly is a 1, 2, of course, 3, 4, and a 5 in the white scenario, where we are looking, of course, for a finished wave 4, and then, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also finished wave 5 in the orange scenario. However, because on the daily we saw that we might still even have a bigger wave 4, and I think this is a case scenario where we are still looking for a wave 5 here and to finish, and of course to finish this wave 5 in the yellow scenario as well. So basically, if we take a look here, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 for, yes, exactly, for your wave 5 in the yellow scenario, you still need one more wave as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And by all means, your wave 3 here has extended towards the upside. So in that case, I prefer to clean up a little bit here because it's a mess, of course, for you guys. If so here we go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing, of course, all these waves. And we're still looking for one more leg towards the upside. So that was it for SUI, of course, and I would like to mention that we have already now a Discord account for KG trading, where you can have, of course, fast updates, especially for Bitcoin, and also KGT indicators for signals for many cryptos, where it can help you to define a little bit the trend direction, and when you start to see some selling pressure and when you start to see some buying pressure. In 11 cryptos so far that I have developed this indicator that it shows very, very helpful signals. Another page is, of course, for all the educational Elliott wave videos that you can also see it also on YouTube, but sometimes also we update something very new in Discord, and you can ask here also for any technical analysis that you would like to have. I would, of course, be glad to upload it on Discord for you, besides the community TA. And of course, if you have some questions and answer, I would be glad, of course, to be there for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.